Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hanifa with ID number 410-142-0041. And now I'm going to explain a problem of linear program and solve it by graph method and line of inquiry. And then this is the problem. Mr. James has a land area of 10,000 meters square, which will be built for type A and type B houses. For type A houses, it takes 100 meters square, and type B requires 75 meters square. The maximum number of houses built is 125 units. The profit for type A house is 6 million rupiah per unit, and type B is 4 million rupiah per unit. What is the maximum profit that can be obtained from the sale of the house? Yeah, so this is the problem. And the first step, we let X be the number of type A house, Y be the number of type B house, and then we determine the constraints of this problem. 100X plus 75Y less than or equal to 10,000, then we divide it by 25, become 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 400, and then x plus y less than or equal to 125, where x, y is greater than or equal to 0. And then the objective function z is equal to 6 million x plus 4 million y. Now we are going to move to GeoGebra calculator to draw a graph. Yeah, this is the GeoGebra calculator. We write the equation for x plus 3y equal to 400, and then x plus y equal to 125, and then the constraint for x plus 3y is less than or equal to 400, and x plus y less than or equal 125, x is greater than or equal to 0, and y greater than or equal to 0. I missed the sign here. Yeah. We will see the graph of this equation. Yeah, so this is the graph. And then this is the visible area of the graph. And next, we will determine the intersection point between this line and y-axis become point A, and this and become point B, and this is become point C. Point A is 0,125, point B 25,100, and point C 100,0. Next, we will add the objective function here, 6 million of x plus 4 million y. And then using the spreadsheet here, we can determine the maximum and minimum point in this column. become point, and then this is the value. Point A 0,125, point B 25,100, and also point C 100,0. And this is the value. We substitution the point into the objective function. In here, FA, we get the value, FB, and also FC. Yeah, we can see the value in each point, and we can conclude that the maximum value is 600 million. So this is the maximum value of this problem, where the point is in point C 100,0. And next, we will do the line of inquiry. We write the objective function, 6 million of x plus 4 million y equal to any number k. Yeah. The bounded here from 0, we take from 0 until, because the maximum is 600 million, we write 600 million in here. Yeah, we can move the line, the black line here. Yeah, we can pass the point A. The first is point A, where point A is the minimum value, and next is point B, and the last point is point C, where point C is the maximum value. Yeah, so that's all. The solving problem of linear programming by graph method and line of inquiry. We can conclude that the value or the maximum value of this problem is equal to 600 million, where the point C is equal 100,0. Yeah, so that's all I think from my explanation. Sorry for if any mistakes. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.